Welcome to Top Crew Aviation. This is Captain P.K. Yadav. So guys, as we all know about height, elevation, altitude, flight level or pressure altitude, now we would discuss about transition altitude, transition level and transition layer. One of the most favorite topics of Viva examiners, guys. Why I am teaching here in part 1? Because these are the basics. We cannot proceed further without learning these terms. So we should know before starting even like how to make calls and all, so that whenever we get these terms, we know what does it mean, guys. So we'll start with transition altitude. What is transition altitude, guys? This is the altitude at or below which the vertical position of an aircraft is expressed and controlled in terms of altitude. We do not use term flight level below transition altitude. We always express in terms of altitude, guys. In India, it is commonly 4,000 feet. How do we decide any transition altitude in any country, guys? See, this is not fixed. It varies as per their, different situation of countries. So this is not fixed, guys. Like for India, it is 4,000 feet. For other countries, it could be a different number. How do we define it, guys? It is really important. I'll tell you why do we use transition altitude. So transition altitude, we take airport elevation plus 1000 feet above highest obstacle within the radius of 25 nautical miles of ARP, guys. What is ARP? Aerodrome reference point. So we take elevation plus 1000 feet above highest obstacle, guys. So this is how we define. So that is why I told you it could be a different number in different countries, because the highest obstacle could be with a different height and we need to add 1000 feet in that, guys. So this is how we define a transition altitude of any country, because we are taking highest obstacle, all right, and plus 1000 feet plus elevation. I'm sure most of you would have understood this thing, because we are including highest obstacle, guys. So we decide transition altitude to clear the obstacles, guys. All right. So the next term is transition level. What is transition level? This is the lowest flight level, and which is flight level 50, guys. So what is transition level? This is the lowest flight level available for use above the transition altitude. At and above transition level, vertical positions expressed as a flight level, not as an altitude, guys. So below transition altitude, we would express height in terms of altitude, and above transition level, we would express vertical position as a flight level. All right, guys. So this is about transition altitude and transition level. So there must be something in between, so that we can decide where is transition altitude, or there must be a buffer zone so that we can switch from transition altitude to transition level and vice versa. So the buffer zone between transition altitude and transition level is known as transition layer, guys. Guys, understand it properly, all the three terms, so that you guys can explain to the examiner with the help of pen and paper. They love this topic, guys. Trust me. So let's define transition layer. This is the airspace between transition altitude and transition level. When climbing through it, the aircraft's vertical position is expressed in terms of flight level. Alright, guys. So when descending through it in terms of altitude. Now look at over here, guys. This is your transition altitude in India. It is 4,000 feet, and this is your transition level. All right. So minimum, or I would say first flight level is 50. And how do we change it? Like while you climb, guys. See over here, this is you are climbing and leaving transition altitude. So what you would do, you would set from QNH to QNE. You would change your settings. While you descend, you set QNE to QNH, guys. Because before transition altitude, for the safety purpose, to avoid obstacles, we would use QNH settings. And after crossing, or I would say after transition level, we would set QNE, okay, so that we can use flight level over there. So above flight level 50, everybody would set that QNE on, that is the standard setting, as we have already discussed, 1013.25 hectopascal, so that we all on the same settings, and we can get the proper separation without any confusion, guys. Alright guys, so I hope these all three terms are clear for you. In case of anything, you can get back to me. And there are a couple of things which we should know. What is the minimum transition altitude? So in India it is 4,000 feet. What is the minimum transition layer? The minimum is 1,000 feet, and it could be between 1,000 feet to 1,499 feet. Alright guys, minimum flight level 50. How do we write flight level in flight plan, guys? So that is F050. If you guys are not aware about how to write flight level in flight plan, guys, watch our flight plan videos. I have explained it in detail. You will learn about all the terms and how do we fill flight plan, and how do we write all these things, not only flight level, everything. How to write everything in flight plan, you would get in details in those particular videos. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Bye-bye. Here you go, your checklist. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.